patient on this. I don't want to be just jumping in. But yo, we're selling off like crazy right now. I'll let you guys know if I do take anything. Would much rather the pullback entry.
The options are terrible too, man, on some of these, on these various equities. They're spreading them out like anywhere from up to $10 to $15 wide.
Wow. Yeah, that's gonna happen
So
in this
yeah,
market environment right now. We're getting a widespread. We're expecting another big move incoming. Definitely expecting another move soon. I think this continues here. If you are taking it at lows, put your stop at recent highs. You're just looking to protect it and take some scalps with momentum. But just be careful if you do that. Understand that you can enter and it could go right to stop loss. That's why you have to size a bit down on those types of trades. Probably heading towards 600 right now. What's the VIX doing? Haven't taken a look at the VIX really today. VIX moving higher, wasn't at any key levels. ES moving lower, great. NASDAQ moving lower, great. Weighted index dropping like it's hot, great. Very small move. Let's see, keep going. Beautiful. Wow. Alrighty, keep going then. Nice. I did take a very, very small position when we broke this low over here and I put my stop at this high. It's got a lot of momentum to it. Want it to be in a little move. But we'll see. We'll see. I might even kill it down here for a scalp, but I was definitely looking for that 15-minute to continue. Our value area low is moving lower with price, which tells me there is an enormous amount of volume down here for 70% of it to be able to fit within this very low. I'm almost thinking of adding on this pullback, but just wait and see. That weighted index falling out of the sky right now. So is the 5-minute. Yeah, let's see. Is there an add opportunity over here? Well, you know what? Now if we break this low, because we're just going lower and lower, we could take it short, stop on that add around that 28,615. Nvidia is still dumping. I'll take a light add with the stop loss at that 28,620 that I just mentioned. Like right over here at this recent higher low. So it's just a quick stop at like a little 20-point stop right there. Looking for this much bigger move to play. And that might hit right away, actually. I might have been a bit too aggressive on that. Nvidia's going... Some equity's starting to turn around a little bit here. We are still in an area of support, but the momentum we have, that spread we have, everything is just screaming trend, and it's been a long day of chop for markets to now finally continue. 15-minute time frame, continuing like we were looking for. I'd want it to even continue even more than that. Any key levels down here? Nope, nothing really until 28,520. Be 28. Look at that, 28,500 on Bookmap. That's our target to the downside. 28,500. Good push lower. Nvidia's dumping. Great. Nasdaq's gonna feel that. Wonderful. We're hitting a very key level on the gamma on ES right here. SPX has 7,400. We are at 7,404 right now. So getting pretty close to a key level. Could look to take some profit here if you guys want to. How is ES on Bookmap? Make sure we're not missing anything. Okay, look at that. Look, ES also has some passive buyers, so we are going to get a reaction here. I'd like to see a stronger move. NASDAQ doesn't really have much under us, though. I will look to get out of a few, just to lock in profit near this push lower again, if we get that. Ideally, we'll see. I'll let you guys know if I get out of any. Oh no, Nvidia's still dumping. No, I'm gonna hold this. Holding. Holding to new low a day. Is VIX making no high of day? Yes, it is. We're holding the shorts. Pardon me. Is this too tight of a stop loss? We will see. NASDAQ, let's get crack-a-lackin'. 3 minutes left in this 15-minute time frame. Do want to see continuation. Just being patient here. 18. Okay, that's the stop loss. It's stopping me out of my ad. Okay, it was close. And it stayed in profit for now. But it got very close. Like 6 points away. It's probably going to hit it. It's going to hit it. So close. Just do it already. Oh. Oh, it's a low volume area there too. I don't know. It's probably gonna stop me out of this ad, which is fine if it does. Full position stop loss is 47. Up here, got in around 23. Wow, we still have not hit it. And we're reacting back lower to it? No way. If we break that low again here at 28,600, I'll add to this ad, put the stop loss at this recent high again. But if we just push higher here, I'm just going to take the stop loss on the original ad. Might go breach it. Looks like it wants it. Keep trying to push higher. There's volume up here the market wants. Oh, no way. Nah, I don't know if I really want to add to this ad again. Nvidia's dumping though. It's really Nvidia that's giving me that like confidence. But we got to see some follow through now to the downside again. 15 minutes, got a minute 12 left. Get some follow through, guys. Give me a half a second. I'll be right there. Watch my trade for me. Come here, come here, come here. Yo, you guys did a great job watching my trade for me. That's crazy. We're still in it. That was, wow. Huge. Big old W's in the chat. I gotta line this up, man. Original entry was here with stop loss up there. I added down here. Added again when we failed it up over here. Oh, man. Nice. Nice little printer we got going. Guys, what are we thinking? What are we thinking to get the community more engaging? Like a trading game night or something like that? Would that be fun? Nvidia's still dumping. We're gonna hold this. Would you guys like a trading game night? I can do that. I'm gonna get out of a couple near these lows, because now if it pulls back on me again, I'm not gonna be the happiest camper. So take a couple off. Protection. Weighted index chopping around. You know what? Well, I'll make believe I'm still not here. $30-minute looks good for continuation too, though. So do I really want to get out of some? I'm gonna move my TP for a moment. Nah, I will get out of some near new low of day again. Is VIX moving higher? VIX moving higher. That's a good sign. Equity's getting ready to go to Dumpsville. Yo, what's up, guys? Somebody here on YouTube. What's going on? Welcome to the community. Welcome to the stream. We're printing. We're in shorts on NASDAQ right now. Just taking it a few ads at a time. Really want to see a strong break towards 28,550, and that'll be like my first take profit. I'd want to move my stop loss to this 25.91, but I feel like that's too close at this point, but we'll see. Nvidia's still trying to push lower. Definitely seeing some buying pressure. We could see a short squeeze, so definitely be careful. You don't want to sell these lows. You want to already be in a position at these lows. There we go. Let that be that sweep. Nice quick sweep with no volume up there. That's a nice little sign. Come on now. Break low. Huge. Beautiful. Moving TP a little bit lower from that 28,550. Nah, I'll take 2 off at 28,550. It's coming. 10 points away. Buyers are going to flip it now. Be careful. I'm going to take 2 off. I really want to let it try to hit that 550, but I know buyers like to protect those levels too. Selling pressure's been good. Nvidia's still dumping. Google's still dumping. SpaceX trying to hold up right now. Would like to see that start to struggle again a bit here too. Looks good on the shorts. I'm just going to stay patient on this hold. 5-minute just closed. Yeah, I'll get out of some near 554. So we'll take that off. 554 should be coming in this candle. So we'll see. Give it a moment. Watch it reverse. Nah, I'm just kidding. You never know. That's why risk management's so important. Nvidia's still pushing lower, helping support Nasdaq to the downside. And bang. Close. Yo, no way. No way, bro. I put it at 54. Nah, it wants 50. There we go. Out of a few right there. Moving stops. This is my original entry. I added twice on pullbacks. I'm going to get out of 2 more over here. There we go. 2 more right over here at this 550. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just keep it running now. Nice little run. Amazing. Amazing. Nice sell-off. Amazing, guys. Let's go. Huge. Huge. Letting our winner run. Another 10 points right there. Where was that take profit level we're looking for on Nasdaq? We still have 520 to go. Another 10 points, 20 points. If we get a crazy pullback towards 550, I will just get out. You can move this to 55. Yeah, we'll just close it there. That was a beautiful trade. Nice quick move. Here is 1 minute entries. So entry 1, 2, 3. That's when we were holding below that 22 area. We were holding below that. That was that low volume shelf. Added to it twice. Had a nice 620 to about 80 points. 80 points NQ. We'll probably continue. I think we do have some follow through. Could possibly look to add somewhere. But that was a nice trade overall. I'm not going to be taking any more. Glad at look at that nice exit. Nice exit right there, man. Yo, if you're here on YouTube, you gotta smash that like button. That was dope. YouTube's still like 10-15 seconds away, FYI. Oh, thank you, bro. I appreciate that. 100% appreciate it. Yo, I wonder if the audio is working on YouTube. Okay, it is. Good. Good. But thank you. Appreciate it, Ryan. Guys, if you are here...
Yeah, audio's good. It's just, yeah, like I said, delayed a bit.
Got you. Got you. Oh, wait. I just sent you an invite. My bad. I meant to hit the copy button. Yo, if you're here on YouTube, join our community. Trading Pioneers, free community. Just put it in the comments. But guys, let me know if you want to do some type of game night. I was thinking of like, it's called Kahoot. It's like a big online type of game where everybody can play. So basically, I would come up with like questions. Let's see, you know, what is this called? And it'd be like pointing an arrow to like a volume profile and be like 4 options you could choose from. I'd make maybe like, depending on how many people join, 50 to 100 questions. 30 to 50 if it's below 20. But if we get a lot of people, then I'll do like 50 to 100 questions. Really have fun. And we'll do giveaways. I'll see what I can give away. Maybe I'll reach out to Market and see if they'll let me do a free monthly subscription of Market. I'm sure they will. No question about it. So that'll be fun. What do you guys think? Would you want to play? Would you guys enjoy that?
Give it a go. As long as we can do it on the weekend.
What's that?
If that's it, weekends would be preferable, but I'd give it a go.
Cool.
If I could make it, I'd show up.
Yeah.
Depends on the time, obviously. So.
All right, awesome. I'm thinking, obviously a weekend. So the masterclass right now is Saturday 6 p.m. Maybe Sunday 6 p.m. Here goes Nasdaq pushing lower right here. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my god. Don't enter. Don't re-enter. Don't do it. But we're headed towards 500. Oh, man. Sheesh.
I got a super new trading view user question. How do
Yeah.
you add into your position and then just close out one or two at a time? Do you just hit the buy sell the market buttons to add in
Yeah.
uh,
So,
individual contracts at that point? Okay.
yeah, so like for me, I took 2 shorts right here, so I sold 2, and I used that with like sell limit, buy limit. So I did a sell limit. I actually originally used it with the create limit order option, so I was able to have a specific risk amount. So I started it with 2, then I was in 2 contracts. Then at that point, when I'm already in the trade, that's when I use the depth of market to either sell to enter more, or again use the plus button and sell 2 more. Then I'm in 4, and your original bracket order that was 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom will stay as 2, so you have to add another set of stop loss and take profits.
How do you add the next set?
So you don't add them as a stop loss or take profit. You really just, so if it's a short position, if I took a short right now, I would put my stop loss here. So I would do buy stop, and that would be your stop loss on 2. So if you're taking 2 short, buy stop short, buy stop 2, and that would stop
Okay.
you out of those 2. And then
Okay. I tried messing around just on paper to try to figure it out, but I think I ended up confusing myself even more. So
yeah, no, so I know it's funny, on paper, I think it automatically adjusts your existing orders, whereas when you're connected to your account, it won't. Yo, that's crazy. We just got like another 50 points going. Now I feel like I got out a little early. Nah, that was clean. We had a nice negative gamma environment. We were just waiting on that move. That was clean, yo. The last few days, we noticed that it was that morning session was crappy, where it was between like 9:30, 10:30, and then it was our 10:30, 11:30 session that markets were rocking and rolling. Look at that. Another push lower on NASDAQ there. Definitely have a ways to go. NQ. Next key level I have is 400. Another 600 points